In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify status not showing on Discord mobile. If your friends can't see what you're listening to on Spotify, or your Discord status just doesn't update, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the key things you need to check on your phone so that Discord can properly detect your Spotify activity and display it as your status. First, make sure both apps are fully up to date. Open your device's App Store, search for Discord and Spotify, and install any available updates. Outdated versions can cause connection issues, so it's always best to start with the latest releases before you change any settings. Next, open the Spotify app and confirm that you're actually playing something from your account. Play a song or podcast and let it run. Discord can only show your Spotify status if there is active playback on the same account that's linked to Discord. Now, switch over to the Discord mobile app. Go to your user settings by tapping your profile icon, usually in the bottom bar. From there, look for the section related to connections or connected apps. Inside this section, check whether Spotify is already linked to your Discord account. If Spotify is not connected, tap the option to add or connect a new account. Choose Spotify, and follow the prompts to log in and authorize Discord to access your Spotify activity. Be sure you use the same Spotify account that you're currently playing music on. When the connection is successful, you should see Spotify listed among your connected services. If Spotify is already connected but your status still isn't showing, try disconnecting it and then reconnecting. Tap on Spotify in the connections list, remove or unlink it, then add it back again. This refreshes the integration and often fixes hidden connection issues. After reconnecting, return to the main settings screen and look for options related to activity status or displaying what you're doing. Enable any toggle that says something like, "Display current activity as a status message," or similar. This setting allows Discord to show what you're listening to on your profile. Finally, go back to Spotify. Start playing a track. Then open Discord and give it a few moments. Your status may take a short time to update. If everything is set up correctly, you should now see your Spotify activity appear under your name, and your friends will be able to see what you're listening to. That's all you need to do to fix Spotify status not showing on Discord mobile.